In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view deposits in QuickBooks Online. Being able to quickly see your deposit activity is really important for staying on top of your cash flow, matching what's in QuickBooks to your bank, and answering questions from your team or your accountant. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go in QuickBooks Online to pull a clear, detailed report of your deposits, and how to customize it so it shows only the information you actually need. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account and look at the main left-hand navigation menu. From there, you'll want to go to the section labeled Reports. Go ahead and click Reports. This is the central place where QuickBooks keeps all of your financial and activity reports, including the one we'll be using to see deposit details. Once the Reports page loads, you'll see different categories to help you find the right report. Scroll or look for the section called Sales and Customers. Within that section, you'll find a report named Deposit Detail. This is the specific report that breaks down the deposits recorded in your QuickBooks file. Click on Deposit Detail to open it. When the Deposit Detail report opens, QuickBooks will usually give you a default date range, like this month or last month. Before you run the report, it's a good idea to customize it so you're looking at exactly the time period and details you care about. To do that, click the Customize button, usually located near the top right of the report window. In the Customization panel, you can filter the report by date, customer, and other criteria. For example, you might set the date range to a specific month, a quarter, or a custom range if you're reconciling a particular period. You can also filter by a specific customer if you only want to see deposits related to that customer's payments, or use other filters like transaction type or account, depending on what you're trying to review. Take a moment to adjust these settings so the report answers the question you have in mind. When you're happy with your filters, click the Run Report button. QuickBooks will refresh the page and show you a detailed list of deposits that match your filters. You can scroll through the report to review individual deposits, check amounts and dates, and verify that everything matches what you're seeing in your bank records. From here, you can also print, export, or save the report for future use if needed.